I am CK Muralidharan, freelance sport journalist, welcoming you all to the 6th edition of the Mysore Sports YouTube channel. Here on this day, we would like to introduce you to Karnataka's first Grandmaster, MS Tejkumar from Mysore, who has done everyone proud with his performances in the national and international level in chess. Chess is a traditional game, and India is the place where chess started. And Mysore has been producing talented chess players from time to time. And one such talent is MS Tejkumar, who has won laurels and became the first Grandmaster from Karnataka in 2017. And he is the only chess player from Karnataka to win the National B Championships, and also he works with the Southwestern Railways in Mysore, and he represents the Indian Railways in the national level in the national tournaments, and he represented them in the World Railways tournament and was part of the Indian Railways team which won the gold in the World Railway Championships. So he has been instrumental in promoting the game also, and of late he has been into coaching, and he has been coaching children from the higher level, middle level and the basic level for the last 5 to 6 years with the Mysore Professional Chess Academy. And here I welcome you to this show, Mr. Tejkumar.
Thank you for inviting me to the Mysore Sports channel.
Tell us about your journey in chess. How did you start this game of chess? When did you take up to this game?
Like in my family, all the family members used to play chess. So my father was the one who started teaching chess to my elder brother as well as elder sister. I used to accompany my elder sister, like she used to play in some tournaments at the intercollegiate level. So by seeing them, I also got interest into chess, and I started playing chess.
Which year was this?
So I started playing in the year 1993.
How old were you?
I was 13 years old at that time.
Where did you take your first coaching, and how did it progress from there?
Like I can say my father is the first coach. Like he only taught me, like we used to play a lot at home. Like I can say that he is my first coach. And when I started playing tournaments, then I came to know there are some rules, and then I went to Mr. Upendra. My father took to Mr. Upendra, so he was a very good coach at that time, and now also he is teaching children at Bangalore. So my first coach after my father taught me chess was Upendra.
How did you progress further?
My first tournament was at the district level open tournament, so my performance was not well. So like I got very much interest by playing the tournament. I took up chess seriously. So then I started playing like all the tournaments which were happening in Mysore. I used to play, and I was getting some experience. Maybe after some 10 months or like that, there was an age group tournament in Bangalore. It was sub-juniors. So I played in that tournament, and I got selected to the nationals also. So the top 4 players were getting selected to nationals. I finished third and got selected to nationals. So that was the first break, and after that immediately there was a state under 14 championship at Mysore. I also qualified for the nationals by finishing second there. So with these tournaments, like it gave me a push, like I can perform well, and I got selected to nationals. So it gave me a boost.
Further, I think you went to Chennai for some further coaching. How did it happen?
Like after, like I told you, like I got selected to nationals, but in nationals the competition was very tough. I was not able to finish in top 30 also. Like after 1 or 2 years, my father took me to Chennai. Like Chennai was a chess hub in India. So we can see a lot of chess players, chess grandmasters in Chennai, and also a lot of good coaches. My father took me to Chennai and we went to AL Kasi. So, and we had some 10 days, we stayed there and took classes from him. And there also I played in a children's under 15 tournament, Limca's chess tournament, and I managed to win the tournament, and that also helped me a lot.
Did that win inspire you that you could go forward?
Yeah, like I felt that Tamil Nadu is very strong, so they are having a lot of strong players, and there I managed to win the tournament, and there were a lot of players, more than 250 or 300. Like still I managed to win. That gave me little bit like much more confidence that I can do well.
So further, how did you progress further from there?
Like after coming from that, like I used to play regularly. I was getting selected to nationals, and even I participated in inter-university tournaments, and I was like able to win like medal in the inter-university chess championships at national level. But I was not able to make my name in the nationals. So like,
what was your initial rating?
My initial rating was 2176. So at that time the rating was starting from 2000. So 2176 was my initial rating, and I played in the national seniors championship, national A, and there I increased around 76 points. That was my first national open championship. So like that I was stuck with 2256 for some part of the time. Like in 2003 was I can call it as a major break for me at the national level, because I won the national under 25 championship. Like from 2002 like I joined the postgraduate degree in MCOM. So like I was not able to play, like I was not getting much time. So after a year and so I directly played the nationals. Like I played the state tournament and I became champion and got selected to nationals. And in nationals also I managed to win, even though without much practice. That gave me a lot of confidence to take up chess seriously.
How was that national under 25 win? How was the competition, and how did you feel there?
Like the competition, like my expectation on that particular tournament like was to finish in top 5 or 6. I was seeded 12th initially. Like I remember that when I went for the tournament, I didn't even carry a chessboard with me. Only I took one book. So I used to see that book, and like I was playing like I was very confident. I used to take game by game, and yes, the competition was tough. Many strong players were there, but still I managed to win the tournament.
Who were the players during that time?
Like there was Abhijit Gupta, Ratnakaran, Himanshu Sharma, and many more players. So who were much stronger than me at that time.
After that, you started playing rated tournaments more?
Yes. From after winning the national under 25 championship, I told you like I was very confident that I can do something at the national level. So then I started playing rated tournaments, and my aim was to become an international master at that time. So I was like, I was playing, I took chess seriously, I can say, after then winning the national under 25 championship.
Which was a big break which you got playing in the FID tournaments where you performed well after that?
Like I won many national rated tournaments and international rated tournaments also. From the year 2003 to 2006 or 7, I have won 6 to 7 rated tournaments at the national level. Like there was a tournament in Thane which I managed to win, so that was also like a very strong tournament. I managed to win. I can say that also gave me a little bit push.
You got your IM norms and you got your GM norms in the same tournament, which was a great performance. Tell us something about that.
Yeah, like as I said, like After finishing my post-graduation, I decided not to go for job and take chess seriously, and then I started working towards the chess, and my aim was like first to become international master and then concentrate on grandmaster. So from 2004 onwards I used to play, work hard and used to play, and only in 2000, at the end of 2007, I managed to get my first international master norm. So that was in the Commonwealth Chess Championship at Delhi. And even I got a grandmaster norm also in that particular tournament. So that was the first norm I got. At the end of 2007, I told you that I got my first IM norm and grandmaster norm. And in 2008 February, so there was a national age championship at Chennai. So there also I managed to perform very well and got my second IM norm as well as grandmaster norm. And in March there was a tournament at Kolkata. So there I got my IM norm. I couldn't make the GM norm in that tournament. So I completed my all IM norm requirements in the March 2008. And immediately after the March, in May 2008, there was Mumbai Mayors Cup. And there I managed to play very well, and I scored fourth IM norm as well as third grandmaster. And finally, in 2017, I managed to finish my rating requirements of 2500.
That was in Goa?
Yeah, in Goa, and that too in the month of September. So, and there I
How did it feel being the first grandmaster from Karnataka and the 50th in the country?
Yeah, it always feels good, to be the first person from the state to get the grandmaster title is very special.
How was the help from the state government and also from different sponsors towards reaching your goal?
Yes, so once I completed my IM title, the state governments like the Department of Youth Services and all, they were giving assistance, financial assistance for participating. They used to reimburse the flight charges for participating in the international tournaments. So they were helping a lot, and I should thank especially to you. So because of you only I started to get exposure in foreign tournaments. Otherwise I would have not dreamt of playing in abroad. You was the first person that you took initiative. I didn't know that I need to approach sponsors and all. You were the first person that you personally took interest. You were seeing from me for many years and you gave me the opportunity. So I should be thankful to you. And after that, Yashasvi Shankar from Sanvi Technologies USA. So he also sponsored me for a lot of tournaments abroad. So this helped me a lot to get a good exposure.
When did you get the Ekalavya Award?
I got Ekalavya Award in the year 2009.
Tell us about your family.
My parents encouraged me, the family members, so maybe brother or sister, everyone encouraged me playing. So all were concentrate on playing chess. So my parents and all the family members supported well. And as I married Jayashree, she used to play chess. She was also a chess player.
Wish you all the success in your future endeavors, and hope you also bring a lot of laurels like the legend Vishwanathan Anand has done for our country. Hope Mysore sees Tej Kumar's name in the days to come as a super grandmaster, and wish you all success in the days to come. Thank you.
Thank you.
CK Muralidharan, freelance sport journalist, thanks all the viewers to watch the 6th episode of the Mysore Sports video channel on YouTube. We thank MS Tej Kumar for having accepted our invite and being with us on this occasion. And we will bring updates to you every week on every Saturday. Thank you.